Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified every time I make a video. Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video. So guys, in today's video we're doing a SHEIN haul. So yes, we're doing another plus size haul, but this time it's all SHEIN clothing. So I bought from SHEIN once before this shipment, and pretty much I bought most of the things for my sister and one thing for myself, which I'm also going to show you guys in this video, because I think when I did the haul for that SHEIN haul, if you did not watch that, it'll be here or here, don't remember where. But anyways, I'm going to show that here, because when I did the haul I did not necessarily try it on for the video. I did show a picture of me wearing it, I think, but I'm going to try it on for you guys today. So without further ado, let us get into the video. So yes guys, I got quite a few pieces from SHEIN. Normally I wear 3X. I found out I wear 3X. Yes, so pretty much all the clothing that I bought were actually bought in 3X. So yes, I'm gonna now go into my SHEIN thing so I can find the prices and so on of each item. So I'm gonna go into view all. We're gonna start from my first shipment, which is the one with the joggers. Now the joggers was $15, and this, as I said, is in 3X. And I'll put the equivalent to Jamaican on the screen when I'm saying the price. Alright, so let's just take out all of these things. Now I did buy some, we call these like boob tape things, but I'm not going to show you guys that. I'm just going to show you guys like the clothing part. So they come in these cute little SHEIN bags, which I am in love with. The black and white or black and clear is just so sleek and just so nice. So yes, this is the, I should have put like I'm gonna put the other camera like down here so you guys can like see how it looks. This is what the pants look like. It was, as I said, 3X, but this I think was not necessarily true to size. It's kind of bad way to start off the vlog, the video, the first item not being true to size, but the rest were actually pretty good. So yeah, that is what it looks like. Right now I've worn it before, and I think I did show the picture. So yes, it is quite comfortable. I love the material of it. It is a very nice material. As I said, the only thing is that it's kind of big, not the waist but like the foot area here. So you know, it's quite big for, I think, 3X to me. So yes, that's what that is. The second thing we have on the list is gonna be, which one should I do? All right, let me do the pantsuit. The pantsuit was pretty much $21, and the pantsuit came with a blouse and pants. So it comes with the mock neck tank top and belted pants, and I'm gonna show you how that looks right now. So this is it. It is a black tank top, black what do you call it, black turtleneck tank top. So this is pretty much what it looks like. It's kind of cropped, so it's kind of like short here, as you guys will see in the video. And then next, the other thing in the bag would be the pants part of it, which is the belted pants. And I like this, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear them together, because this more looks like a work, more looks and feels like a work pants. And this was pretty nice. I liked the material, even though it kind of feels like, my mom says, kind of looks like it's easy to wash out. So we might do something else with this. you know, so we might wear this to work or something of that sort. So yeah, let us try this on. Let me just show you guys how it looks. Yes, this is what it looks like. The pants is kind of way up, so it doesn't really show the crop part of the blouse, but the blouse stops like right there. And I kind of like it. I don't know, but yeah, that can like go down and you don't even know it's there, whatever. So this is the length of the pants. I don't like my work clothes to be very tight, so this is perfect for me. Just need like a jacket to go with this blouse, and it's Gucci. Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture in this for thumbnail and for the review on SHEIN, so I can get points. So yes, you get points when you review stuff. So yeah, I pretty much like this, so I'm gonna just take a picture and post it on SHEIN. Alright guys, so the next thing is pretty much something I actually like. I love this. I saw this and I was like, ah, I'm in love. So it's a plus off shoulder floral print shirt top with shorts, and it was $16. So it comes with the top and the bottom, so I'm gonna be showing you guys that now. All right, so this is it. It's a two-piece. I'm gonna show you the shorts first. So this is the shorts, quite loose, quite comfy. And then the top, it kind of looks confusing when you first look at it, but these are the sleeves, and then this is the other part of it. So yeah, just comes with the top and the bottom. All right, so we're gonna try this on and then we'll be back. All right guys, so this is the piece. This sleeve is kind of very weird. I think it's supposed to be, we call it this. So yes, this is it. It's actually a two-piece, as you guys saw. It's kind of weird for me that cannot wear anything like without bra, but that's the reason I kind of bought the boob tape, just to like, I'd wear bra with it but use the boob tape to like hold it, if I get what I mean. But anyways, this is it. I actually really love it. I don't know about y'all, but I love it. I just love how fun it looks, just so summery. Summer. Anyway, so yes, this is the summer one. All right guys, so that was it for the first shipment. Now for the second one, I bought like, I needed 3 of the tops like the one I bought, so 3 tank tops pretty much. And I bought a white plus size cold shoulder strappy neck rib knit tee. No, wait, sorry, wrong one. I'm like, that didn't get that. Anyway, so I bought the white one, was a plus solid mock neck rib tee. Then I bought a brownish looking one. It was the plus neck rib knit tank top. Then the black one plus mock neck lettuce trim rib. Yeah, all of them were kind of like mock rib knot, whatever you call that, but yeah. So let me show you guys what they are, and then I'm gonna try them on for you. So let's start with the white. This is the white. I'm gonna put on like the joggers when I'm trying these on, because I wouldn't wear them with this, so I'm not gonna show it with this. So this is the white top, and as I said, all of these things are actually 3X. So yeah, that's the white one. I think the white one is actually the thickest one I bought. The others are quite thinner, but that is fine. This is the black one, and yeah, I know you guys can't, oh yes, you can see the lines in it, so it's kind of like a knit top, and it's very thin, so you might have to wear something like under it or something. And then the brown one, the last one, is like this. Where is it? Yeah, this one is like a no sleeve like the last one, as you guys saw. So yeah, that's what that looks like. So we're gonna try these on with the joggers, and yeah. Okay guys, so this is the second blouse. Sorry, yeah, this is the next blouse. Oh yes, I didn't show you guys like the pants. This is the joggers. As I said, I did do a this is the next one. It has a little like ruffly thing at the bottom. Pretty cute, pretty cute, pretty cute. We're gonna try on the black one. All right guys, so this is the next one. All right, so this is the black blouse. Pretty, it fits pretty good. Pretty much all of these fit great for me. This is the first time I'm trying on all the blouse, all these 3. So if you hear me being a little bit extra, that's why, you know. Yeah, so that's what the blouse looks like. I have to like stand close for you guys to like see it. It's kind of like the other one with the bottom, but kind of different ish. I don't know how different it is. That's why I just got 3 different colors, because the styles are kind of the same, but I needed these for like, I needed some what do you call these? I needed things like this that are solid colors, so I can wear with like my joggers that are colored. They're multicolored, so I want them to wear with it. So yeah, I think it will fit great with it, because I would actually like, it depends, I would actually push it in, or I can actually have it out, whichever is fine. Alright, so this is the last item, and then afterwards I'm gonna like show you what I bought for my sister. I bought her a suit, a biker short suit. But anyways, this is the blouse that I bought. It's pretty cute, not gonna lie. I forgot to take the picture indoors. I'm gonna have to put them on. So yes, this is what the blouse looks like. And yeah, yes, it will ride up when I do this, but it's fine, it's fine, it's just fine. So this one is kind of shorter. It's actually as short as the other black one, but it's fine. They're called crop tops for a reason. They're cropped. But anyways guys, yeah, so right now I'm going to like introduce my sister. I bought her a biker suit, so she's gonna come in and model for y'all. Sister, take it away. You have 2 cameras, sweetie. You have 2 cameras. There's one down here.
Me never bend down.
Anyway, so yes, I bought her this. It's a I'm gonna tell you how much for this like in a few. Turn around. Anyway, so it says wonderful on it, and it's like a biker shorts, and the blouse comes with it. She still have on her frock. She tried on over the frock, and that was actually a 4X. So she wears a 4X and it fits perfectly. So just, yeah, she's saying that she can actually wear a 3X. All right guys, so pretty much as I said, the 4X, she said that it can be worn it can be worn as a, she could have worn a 3X, which means it's pretty much true to size, but the tighter one could have actually worked. So it means like me, I could probably fit into a 2X pretty much. So you have it there guys. SHEIN is pretty good for plus size. I'm pretty excited for SHEIN because a lot of times I look on sites and try to find size for myself and I can't. Yes, I don't find a lot of clothes that fit me the way I want to, especially in Jamaica, and I'm pretty excited for SHEIN because these clothes, I tried to look in Jamaica the other day if I found any of these blouses and I couldn't find not even one. I found some and they were in mostly smaller, extra small. Like, y'all don't have any variety in Jamaica, and I think Jamaica is losing because of that. They don't cater for us, and a lot of people in Jamaica, them that maga. You have a lot of fat people in Jamaica, so they need to like get with the time. But anyways guys, that is gonna be the end of my haul. Be sure you'll be getting a lot more SHEIN haul because as I said, I'm excited. I did buy some like rings and such, but that's not in the clothing haul, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know which item was your favorite, you know. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below, share with your friends, let them know about SHEIN. However, by the way, all these items, I'm not getting money for this, people. I'm just helping y'all out. I will link all these items in the description down below. If you're not a 3X, then that you can change your, what do you call that, you can change this size to whatever size you are, and yeah, and order them if you would like to. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.